Bafana Bafana winger Elias Mukwana has expressed his joy at returning to the national team fold ahead of the Africa Cup of Nations, reflecting on the difficult journey he endured during his time with Tunisian giants Esperance. Mukwana made the switch to Esperance in August 2024, arriving with high expectations as one of coach Hugo Bross's trusted attacking options, but the move quickly turned challenging. Limited playing time in Tunisia saw him slip out of the Bafana Bafana setup, missing several key international fixtures. His fortunes had changed after sealing a transfer to Saudi Pro League side Al Hizam at the start of the current season. Regular minutes, renewed confidence, and the consistent performances helped the 24-year-old revive his form and re-establish himself as a top contender for national selection. So when the AFCON call finally came, Mukwana admits the moment meant a great deal. He said, "I was really happy when I received the call up. It's been a while. I wasn't having great form, but I'm grateful to be back and to help the team." Reflecting on his time away from South Africa, Mokwana did not shy away from discussing the challenges he faced at Esperance. He said it wasn't easy at first leaving South Africa. "When I got to Esperance, things didn't go as expected." He credits his revival to the positive environment at Al Hazm, where he has become a regular starter, and said after the move to Al Hazm, "I started handling myself better. I was training well and the coach encouraged me every day. That's why I'm starting to pick up my form again." With his confidence restored and his place in the national team regained, Mokwana will be hoping to carry his resurgence onto the continental stage and play a key role in Bafana Bafana's AFCON campaign. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.